Do you know, Akshit? Today is my friend Neha's birthday, so I will go to the party in the evening.
Oh wow! Can I also come with you? I love parties.
Okay, sure you can. Akshit, can you please pass me that stuffed animal? It is very cute. I want to give it to my friend.
Right, Janvi? It is so cute. But why did you call this toy it?
It is a non-living thing.
Oh, I see.
Akshit, have you ever heard of he, she, it, they, you, I?
No, Janvi. What are those?
He, she, it, they, you, I and we are used in place of naming words or nouns. When we talk about a girl or a woman, we use she. When we talk about a boy or a man, we use he. We and they are used for more than one person. It is used for non-living things, birds, animals and places.
Oh, I got it. It is very simple.
Akshit, can you pass me that doll?
Sure, Janvi. Here you go.
Thank you, Akshit. Listen, Akshit, I like playing with her.
Oh, I see. Her is a pronoun for a girl or a female.
Yes, Akshit, you're right. Akshit, look at Bruno.
Yes, it looks happy.
That's right. Now we will go outside and play.
Sure, Janvi.
Akshit, what should we play?
Janvi, we can play with the ball.
Yes, we can. But have you noticed? We is a pronoun used for more people like you and me.
Akshit and Janvi, lunch is ready. Come inside and have your lunch.
Okay, Mom, we are coming.
Mom, can you pass me the salt?
Akshit, you forgot to say please, Mom.
Sorry, Mom.
That's better. Have you noticed? You is a pronoun we use when we are talking to someone.
Oh, this is very interesting.
Okay, let's practice, Akshit. Can you tell me something about yourself using I?
Yes, Janvi. I love to draw and paint.
Great job, Akshit. Now, Akshit, can you tell me something about yourself using you?
Yes, Janvi. You can play with me at recess.
Excellent! Now, can you tell me something about your pet using it?
My cat loves to sleep in its cozy bed.
Well done, Akshit. And can you tell me something about our family using they?
They are going on a trip next week.
Wonderful! Now you understood it well.
Yes, Janvi. I feel confident now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Akshit. Now you can practice and I'm going to do my homework.